flow from one side but not the other. That's exactly what a diode does. Let's get a 3D look at what a diode really does. A diode is an electronic component that lets current flow in only one direction. Inside the diode, there are two layers called P-type and N-type, and when they come together, they form a PN junction. When the diode is hooked up the right way, it's called forward bias, and the current flows easily. But if you connect it the other way, that's reverse bias, and the current stops completely. That's why a diode is known as the one-way gate of electronics. The diode stops the circuit from getting damaged by a reverse power supply. In the rectifier circuit, the diode changes AC into DC. 4 diodes joined together make a bridge rectifier, which is the key part of a power supply. Different types of diodes like LEDs, Zener, and silicon ones are used for different jobs. The diode symbol always shows us the right way for current to flow. Now you get what a diode actually does. If you want to dive deep into electronics in 3D like this, go ahead and subscribe to Nanotech.org now.